What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel.
Tones Adventure. Tones Adventure. Adventure. Tones Adventure. Tones Adventure. Tones Adventures.
All right, YouTube, we are here in Fairfield, California, and we are visiting the world famous Jelly Belly factory. So me and my lady are here. We're gonna just enjoy the little tour, walk around, maybe buy some snacks, but I'll be sure to show you guys the footage. All right, so we are in the elevator going on our tour. The hats are mandatory. The hats are our actual tickets for the tour. So let's go. All right, so we just started our tour. It's like a self-guided tour. We actually took a picture done by their staff here. We'll probably end up buying it, but this is what it looks like so far. This is the factory for the Jelly Belly factory. And this is where the magic is made. If you didn't know, Jelly Belly has an assortment of flavors, even Tabasco. Over 50 fun flavors.
You might like this one, birthday cake.
Yeah. Angela's favorite is the juicy pear. Here's some more of the factory. I've actually been here about twice. This is Angela's first time, so I thought I'd bring her here. So the Jelly Belly factory has a very long history, starting from 1869. So let's see how far it goes.
Here, Jelly Belly jelly beans are packed in the bags and boxes of to your job.
First time I saw a spider
Now in the
packer,
90s
I
and the
went,
2000s.
oh my gosh, we've got to get one of those machines running back.
And this is the last thing on the timeline, which is their 40th anniversary, which was in 2016. And right now we're in the year 2022, but they don't have anything else on the timeline. It says future innovations to come. Here's some more of their factory.
But of course, the orders for
If you're old enough to know, that is President Ronald Reagan.
the orders were coming in so hard and heavy.
Here's some interesting artwork, of course, of President Ronald Reagan. And if you can't tell by the video, all this is made by Jelly Bellies. Here's the Statue of Liberty. George Washington. Abraham Lincoln. And of course, Ben Franklin. Nice to see him on green paper though, right? There's another section of the factory. You can see their artwork. Those are also made of Jelly Bellies. Real flakes of this stone fruit go into each batch of the Jelly Belly jelly bean. Oh, interesting. Here's some more artwork. Daffy Duck, Elvis Presley, of course Ronald Reagan. The last time I was here, I vaguely remember they had like these machines or robots working, but I guess they're not in use today. I bet you there's nothing but sugar in those bags. Look at all those Jelly Bellies. Waiting to be distributed to American stores and around the world. Any Star Wars fans out there? I know I am one.
Like going to the moon.
That's cool.
It's what helped allow our company to stand.
And here's another view of the factory. Not too sure what goes on here. Look like dryers. Maybe they're drying them or something.
Let's work from the outside in. That is to say, the outside of the bean is up first on our tour of the candy making wing. Welcome to the...
Get in the middle.
A VR without
Oh, it's
VR without
going-
the headset. Yeah, it's going now.
now.
It's supposed to block them or something. Yeah.
Wait, second half.
Angela got this. I can just kick back.
Help me, it's gonna go faster.
Yeah, she got this. I'll just be here recording. Drop in the comments if she's doing a great job. Well, time to go. See, we're champions. She did a great job. There's the actual robot, but too bad it's not in use today.
Two lines of jelly bean centers to catch and stack trays.
But here is a video on it. We did a little time lapse. That's what the robot looks like in use. And that robot is over here.
The robot cage into a holding area where the centers will rest before moving on to the panning process. Since each flavor...
And for my athletic viewers out there, they have the sports bean. Of course, made by Jelly Belly. Never knew they made stuff for athletes, but here you go. So here are some examples of their pretty wild flavors, like rotten egg, liver and onions, stink bug, old bandage, stinky socks, and I can't read it upside down. Barf. Are you guys willing to try this? Yes, we're entering Tangerine Avenue. Where the whole hallway looks tangerine color. Let's see what the factory looks like on this side. See nothing but conveyor belts, a couple of robots, a few. Wow, look at all these candies, all these Jelly Bellies sitting in these containers. Can you guys name those flavors? I can't. Look at all those Jelly Bellies. It's Jelly Belly heaven for you guys that really love Jelly Bellies. Wow. All right, now entering Lemon Way. Let's see what this is about. Oh, here's a robot. I've been waiting to catch these in action. Oh, so put them onto the conveyor belt. And I guess they mix in here, I don't know. Continuing down Lemon Way. Another robot. There they go packaging the Jelly Bellies. Alright, so that concludes the actual factory tour, baby. What did you think of the tour, baby?
It was very interesting. First time, loved it.
That's right, I concur. Alright, here's some more artwork made by Jelly Beans and Star Wars fans. I don't even have to say who that is, you should already know. And if you're a Harry Potter fan, you'll know that that is Ron Weasley. who also stars in The Servant on HBO with Hermione Granger. Yeah, I'm a Harry Potter fan. And there's Professor Albus Dumbledore, something like that. Pretty cool, right? Here's some more stuff of President Reagan, Nancy Reagan, and of course President Reagan again. And they got some more artwork over here. Okay, not sure who this is. This must be the California Bear. Mona Lisa. I'm not sure who that is. Not sure who that is. Woman with a mango. Batman? Oh, I forgot the name of this couple. Santa Claus. And I forget his name. All right, YouTube, that concludes this video here at the Jelly Belly Factory in Fairfield, California. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notifications so you know when I upload videos. What's the next one? Peace.